Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to share exciting price updates regarding Nothing Phone 2. According to previous leaks, the Nothing Phone 2 is expected to be released in both a 256GB and 512GB tier. According to new leaks, in France, the 256GB base model is expected to cost €730, which is equal to $800. Guys, $800 price tag will put this device slightly under other flagships sold in the United States with similar storage capacities such as 256GB Pixel 7 Pro $1,000, the 256GB Samsung S23 Plus $1,000, and the 256GB iPhone 14 Pro $1,100. Similarly, the leak states that the 512GB version of the Nothing Phone 2 is priced at €850, which roughly converts to $950. Both of these tires are supposed to have a black and white variant just like the Nothing Phone 1. So far, the only specs that have been confirmed for the Nothing Phone 2 are that it will power by Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 along with 4700 mAh battery and includes support for 300 years of Android system updates and 4 years of security updates. However, Carl Pei has clearly said that he intends for the Nothing Phone 2 be a premium device that can compete with the big dog with a special interest in attracting iPhone users. Guys, at $300 less than the current iPhone and the attractive design wise that the first Nothing Phone was, Pi may be uniquely positioned here to enter the highly competitive US smartphone market. But I think it is difficult for the Nothing to beat iPhone 15 models, so my advice is you should watch iPhone 15 updates as well. And if you got some knowledge from this video, then please press the subscribe and like button.